So you always had the visa process with us.
Yes.
How did that go?
Oh, that one's
Smooth.
very smooth.
Very smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For those of people who are true DIYers, which we pretty much are, we thought, well, we can do it. We can do it. It's a list of things. We can do it. And then it's like, we don't want to screw it up.
Yeah.
It was more like, we need somebody to look over our shoulder and make sure we've got all the things that are required in the right order, in the right form, in the right language, all the things so it'll go through smoothly. And we don't have to stress about it and resubmit and
And how did we go about doing that for you? So you were introduced to one of our legal team.
Right. And they gave us the portal to upload the things, told us what they needed to be able to compile it. And then we were like, okay, we knew about those 4 things, but I didn't know about that 5th thing. So see, we would have goofed up and something would have been delayed or we would have had to supply or resubmit.
Was it fairly quick to go?
Oh boy.
For the whole process or once the appointment?
Just the visa, from the appointment.
From the appointment to getting the visas was less than a week.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
So if you're watching this and you're seriously considering moving to France, but you don't know where to start, go in the description links below and schedule your appointment with us, or you can use the QR code on screen. We can help you move, but more importantly, we can help take the stress away, and so you can focus on what's important, which is living your dream life in France.